Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number XL-R/A-2440. This is your Kodiak Pro-lube oil cap for 6-lug trailer axles. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is part number XL-R/A-2440, your Kodiak XL Pro-lube oil cap and aluminum housing for the 6-lug trailer axles. So these guys right here, you'll see them more commonly on boat trailers than anything, but it's a two-piece. It has the aluminum housing, and this part right here goes inside the hub, and then you have the screw-on cap right here, the plastic cap that goes into the aluminum housing. Typically, they would have a rubber plug in the center, and I'm kind of confused on why this one doesn't actually. However, this is what it is. So commonly found on boat trailer axles, and I'll just measure it out real quick so you can check it out. The measurement that would actually go inside the hub is going to be 2.44 inches. The width of the aluminum housing is going to be 1.22 inches. And then the plastic cap, the screw-on cap, will measure the threads right here. It's going to be 2.3 inches. And then if we put it all together right here, the overall height is going to be 1.85 inches. So common on 6-lug trailer axles, more common on 6-lug boat trailer axles. And if you're needing some of these, we do keep them in stock pretty much at all times. And you can find them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.